Hi, my name's John. Welcome to our special Christmas giveaway. My friend and channel sponsor, Rob from Welding, has kindly sent me this complete MIG welding package to give away. It's a MIG 180, all the leads, everything you need. There's rolls of wire, there's a helmet there, some merchandise, gloves, whatever you need to start MIG welding is contained in this package. To enter the competition, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, share the video and put a comment on the video. The comment on the video needs to say Artec MIG 180. That's it up there. Artec MIG 180. My computer will pull a winner out of the computer itself. It self-generates a number and the winner will be drawn on the 10th of January. I'm going to bring the camera in a little bit closer and show you exactly what's here. Then I'm going to take the set out of the shed, put some gas onto it, power it up, and I think Deb wants a little bit play with it. I'll show you exactly what it'll do. I've done quite a few reviews on this welder. I've got a one I use all the time at home. I've also got one at work that the lads clash around and it just does the job like it's supposed to do. Quick change helmet, ideal for MIG welding. I've got one of these, I do use it quite a lot. There's two good spools of wire here, there's 0.8 and 0.6 with the contact tips. 0.6 is for the thinner stuff, 0.8 is the wire I use all the time. Pair of gloves, really handy, really important, you don't burn your hands. Some welding rods so you can try the MMA welding, stick welding. That is an electrode holder contained in the accessory kit. This is the welder itself, MIG 180, very popular welder. You see I've got one at home, I've got one at work. I'm going to demonstrate it a little bit later on the video. But it is a nice, robust little unit. There's a lot of these in circulation. I believe that Artec sell more of these than anything else. I've already installed a roll of 0.8 MIG wire. I use 0.8 wire all the time. You can use 0.6 for car body work, but I still find that 0.8 gives the best results even on thin material. So I've got a full roll of wire installed. I've coupled the welder up to my organ supply, my regulator. I've installed the torch that came with it and I'm going to put my earth lead into there. We'll quickly go through the controls on the front of the welder, but what I'm going to do is all the Artec videos I've done on the 180, I'll put it on a memory stick and that will be included in the giveaway package. This welder can be used with a spool gun to weld aluminium. That's a socket for it there, and it says there spool gun on and off. It does MIG welding or stick welding. MIG or stick. That's your amperage control for stick welding. We'll be using that later. These are the two controls that you use to set up your wire feed and your voltage. Combination of those two gives the absolute perfect weld because it's infinitely variable. There's an amperage display here. That shows amperage or current when you're actually welding. Once you start the weld, it shows there how many amps it's putting into the job. Two sockets on the front, one earth lead, one live lead. The live is for stick welding and the earth is just the earth. You can use this welder on flux core wire if you don't want to have to use a bottle of gas. I've done a video on that as well. And all you need to do is swap that terminal from there to there, then you can use flux core. And it does work really well on flux core, as you'll see when you watch the video. So basically I'm going to hook an earth on and then Deb's going to come and she's going to sort of christen it, I suppose, and she's going to be the first one to weld with it. Not bad with that.
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Want to go with the stick welding?
Yeah, I'd love to go with the stick welding.
Stick welding, okay.
Okay. like that. Very good. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish us all a happy Christmas and all the best for the new year, and have a good holidays. This is my Christmas present off John. Some gloves, new, and my jacket. Love it.
I hope you enjoyed that little bit of Deb playing with the welder. She's certainly starting to get the hang of welding. Don't forget to enter the contest. All you've got to do is subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and post a comment, and the comment's got to say Artec MIG 180. Anyway, thanks for watching.